habits of A-list actors. Getting started in acting requires dedication, determination, and effective time management skills. If you want to get ahead, it's best to have some tangible ways to get there in your back pocket. Knowing what works and what doesn't will help you get busy moving your career forward without wasting too much energy or resources. Here are 3 habits of the most successful actors. Here is the first effective habit of A-list actors. The most important advice is to stay organized. This may seem like common sense, but all too often, when you're rushing from point A to point B and don't have much downtime in between, it becomes all too easy to let things get lost in translation. Maintaining to-do lists and routines are habits that'll maximize productivity and help you stay on track. Whether you decide that you want to keep a running list online or prefer a pen and paper version, having something to refer back to takes the guesswork out of what you've done and still need to do. Here is the second effective habit of A-list actors. Keeping a routine also means staying active in one form or another every day. Even if you have a million reasons for taking a day off, check in to ensure your emails are all read and you haven't missed any calls. It's important to take a day or two for yourself to avoid against burnout, but if one of your habits is to take a few minutes to at least check in, you won't miss anything important. And this will help you feel more centered when you get back to it. Here's the third effective habit of A-list actors. Another one of the most effective habits of successful actors includes breaking down bigger picture goals into day-to-day tasks. You may have heard of a vision board that is often put together as a visual representation of goals and motivation to continue pushing to achieve them. In creating habits list or vision board, ask yourself what goals you want to achieve in the next year. What will the next 6 months look like? 5 years? What do you need to do at a micro level to reach these more macro end goals? In designing your daily habits list, maybe you want to make sure you take care of your skin in the morning and night. Fit in a HIIT workout routine or scour castings online for at least an hour. When will these tasks happen every day? Maybe you get your skincare routine in and a quick workout in the morning and spend the hour online at night after you go to your 9 to 5 each day. It may take some trial and error before you figure out what works best, so keep your list adaptable. Becoming a successful actor takes work. You can be the most efficient if you initiate daily habits that eventually become second nature and help you realize your dreams. The less brain capacity that's needed to organize your day, the more energy you'll have to practice your craft and preparing for auditions. To learn more, feel free to sign up for our free virtual open call. On this free virtual open call, you will learn about the recent changes in the modeling and acting industries that is opening the doors for more job opportunities. You will learn cutting-edge ways to gain access to a steady stream of high-paying modeling and acting jobs in your local area. You will also learn how to receive continued online training workshops that will prepare you for that big audition or casting call. Click the link below to register now.